Congratulations. Wishing you the best. Like really, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 stamps. You're going to keep this one out all the time. But it comes with this set. So it comes with the A2 card base. Now, our card bases at the Stamps of Life are, we have A1, which is like invitation size. A2 is the most popular one. All of these are standard in the United States. A2, A7, which is also known as 5x7, mini slimline, and regular slimline. So those are the standard card bases in the United States. They will not cost you extra postage. Who wants to pay extra for postage? Not me, just saying. Okay, so that is the Happy Thoughts Octagon. Let me show you a couple samples that I have because they are awesome. Here we go. I showed you this one a little bit already. This is the cute little koala. Here's this one. I already showed you that. But look how fun this base is. Isn't that awesome? Something totally different. Here's a fun one. You take the cake. Isn't that cool? Happy birthday. Now look at this one. This one is a die I took on HSN a while back. It says Happy Spring. But what we're looking at here is this background die. That is the one that's in the set. Also, here we go. You can do it horizontal. You can also do it horizontal. Sunshine. Isn't that cute? Kindness is free. These stickers I took on HSN, I think last time I went on. So that is the die set, A2 card base. And the item number on that one again is 924999. Now, just a heads up, let me look at the quantities on these. This one is a little bit more limited than some of the others, just a heads up. Not 1,000% limited, but it's a little bit more limited than you would probably expect. Why? I have no idea. But moving on. We're going to put this somewhere. Here we go. Right there. The next, oh, and look how, you guys, I can't wait for you to see this in real life, the background die. And this, of course, you could use on any card base, right? It's standard A2 size. Okay, moving on. We are going to look at this one. Ooh, okay. So I've looked up all the prices that they have, and of course their prices are like amazing, but just wait because maybe later it might be even a little better. This one is a little pretty much amazing on the price because technically it comes with 6 word sets of dies, but in all honesty, on my website, this would probably be like $40 at least. Right now they have it for $26. It would be at least 40. But let me show you all the words. I have this one here. Here we go. And I know backwards it looks like nothing. So I'll just show it to you on this because backwards it looks like nothing. So you are my favorite person. You're the best. Just because. The best is yet to come. Just a little note. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. Now, these are nice and large and in charge. Watch this. Let me show you the A2 card bases. These are on A2 card bases. This one says just a little note. So you can tell, look at, first of all, look at that. This is a step up card base that we have. Hang on, let me do this one. Look at this. Is that just, okay, folds flat for mailing. This is one of our step up card bases. But is that just like the most amazing, adorable card you've ever seen in your life? Now, here is another one. Oh, and notice those felt flowers. We're going to talk about those in a second. Here's another one. You are my favorite person with our hologram paper. Hologram paper. Here's another one. You're the best. Oh, on that octagon. Again, see that? On the octagon. Love it. Here's another one. Just because. This is on one of our other step-up cards. And here's another one. The best is yet to come, but watch this. What? It's a step-up, stand-up card. Isn't that awesome? So you can tell that these phrases are nice and large. For example, let me just tell you how much, what the size of this one is, just so you can get an idea. So this one is a little more than 3 inches by almost, let's see, by 3, a little over 3 inches, 3 by 3. So you can see that that is nice and large and in charge. Look how cute that is. The best is yet to come. You're going to use this with everything. So here I have the little moose. Here I have dragonflies and flowers. Here I have some more flowers. Here I have hologram paper. And here I have a Western theme. So you seriously are going to be able to use these for each and every, anything, right? Anything you will be able to use this one for. So again, this one is item number, because I don't think I told you already. This one is item number 925000. 925000. That's easy to remember, right? Now, just a heads up. Number one, yes, I'm taking all of these live on HSN. And the best part is I have lots more samples to show you. I can't do all of it in this little bit of time we have tonight, but I have lots more samples to show you. So stay tuned for that. They're going to knock your socks off. Also, the adhesive sheets are perfect for these words, because you don't want to try to add. Can you imagine trying to add a tape runner to the back of these? Not going to do well. Not going to do well. So use the adhesive sheets. Okay, boom, there it is. That is the best word dies. So we are going to grab this one and move this one off to the side. What is that one? Oh, I'm like moving everything around. Okay, next we have, what's next? This one. Okay, are you ready? I've been talking about stand-ups a lot, right? You've heard me say, oh, this one's a stand-up. Oh, this one's a stand-up. Stand-ups are awesome. And I have a little thing about stand-ups. So stand-ups obviously stand for display. But I use them for my friend test. What do you mean? Well, I like to give a stand-up to a friend, just for whatever reason, whatever. And then I like to go to their house like a week or two later. And I like to see if they have it on display, because it's perfect for, and here, let me show you one really quick. It's perfect for the mantle, a bookshelf, their countertop, wherever they put anything that they might, that they might display. So look how it stands up perfectly. It's like the perfect display card, right? Perfect for a photo, a little calendar, anything like that. So you will be able to find out how good of a friend they are if they've kept your card. So if they have not kept your card, or they do not have it on display, maybe they deserve not as great of a card next time. Just saying. But if they have it on display, you know they are a friend for life. They're going to keep it forever, and you know it, right? Well, let's jump into this one. This one is item number 925001. 001. Oh, yes. And Ruth Debbie wants me to remind you, once you get your items from HSN, or any items that you have now that you've gotten from HSN, please leave reviews. They count how many times people leave reviews. They look at the reviews. They do read them. So please leave a review. We would love to hear your input on those. And HSN just really likes when you leave reviews. Okay. So this is the Delightful Stand-Up card. And let me let you look at it like this. The Delightful Stand-Up card. And yes, it stands up. It also comes with lots of dies. So it comes with the die Thanks, huge, large and in charge, some cute little greenery, a cute little sun, and this little die here that says your kindness shines bright. That's why I gave you a sun, because your kindness shines bright. Did I even have one of those to show? Oh, no. Oh, here it is. Here is that inside one, but on the front of a card, a regular on the front of the card, not even using the stand-up die, which is really cool, right? Because you can mix and match. This also comes with a photopolymer, again, photopolymer stamp set. Thanks so much. You are so amazing. I am so thankful for you. And hello. Also, those greenery little pieces and a fun little swirl. Why? Just because, right? Just because. Photopolymer. My friends, if you know, you know. There is a difference. Now, let's look at how a stand-up works. What you're going to do, and I'm not going to die cut one, but I'm going to show you. What you're going to do is you're going to die cut the biggest die in the set. And that looks, you know what? We're going to do it. Let's just do it, because I want you to see how stinking easy this is, okay? Because it really is. And let me just warn you, if I'm going to do it, it has to be easy, right? On any card I make, if I'm going to do it, if I'm going to sell it, it has to be easy. That's like the law at my house or in my office. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a standard cardstock. We're going to trim it in half, get some of those dots out of the way. We're going to lay this down, not trim it in half. We're just going to trim it. And we're going to put it a little bit at an angle so we don't have a speed bump right there. And we're going to run this through our machine. So any 6-inch machine this will work on. You don't have to, but you might need to have the longer cutting pads if you have like the old green It wasn't a Cricut, but you know what I mean. I don't know what that one's called. It was a long time ago. Okay, here we go. Boom. That's the card base. So simple. It scores it nice and deep for you. You're going to have that. Gives you a little belly button notch. We'll talk about it in a second. But let's get some, ideally some pattern paper. Let's see if I have some here. Ooh, I do. I'm not necessarily going to match perfectly, but we'll make it work. So, ooh, also, no. Ooh, let's use this one. So let's grab this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this cute little heart. So it comes with layering dies. So we're going to lay those dies down just like that. We do want to kind of leave them. We don't want to go like funky because that does have a pattern. We can even like save cardstock and do that. I am going to use my Better Than Washi. That's going to hold the dies down so they don't move. It is Better Than Washi though, because it doesn't tear your cardstock when you run it through the machine or pull up any fuzzies. Now we're going to die cut this. So we're going to run this through. Just like that. Now this is the pattern paper, right? Now this is not included in the set, but I just want to show you how stinking easy this is to do. Now we're going to pop these out. And there we go. It's always more awkward when the camera's running. And then we are going to take the card base. So watch this. Remember when I said it doesn't tear it? It just peels right off. There's no fuzzies coming off or anything like that. Now we're going to fold our card base on the score line the die created, just like that. And it has two little score lines on either side. We're going to finger pinch it just like that. Boom. It does have a little belly button notch right there. And when it's done, it's going to go into that notch right there. Now, if it pops out of there and it like doesn't stay in there and it kind of goes like that, and you're like, what? It's not staying in there and it keeps popping out. That just means you need to score this a little bit more. So you could get a bone folder. Oh, here's a bone folder actually. So I'm just going to score it a little bit more, just like that. And now it's going to, what is that dot? Oh, it's from the circles. And now look at this, ta-da, easy peasy, right? So what we're going to do is we're just going to add these layering pieces. Oh, see, and then I could use this side instead. The choices. The struggle is real. So here we go. I'm just going to show you really fast how easy this is. Then you get to decorate it. And I'll show you all the fun samples. But I have to tell you, there is more than a stand-up that you can do with this stand-up card. So let's grab this one. Let's add this one right there. Seriously, it looks like a little bear's ears looking at me for some reason right now. There we go. Now, look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Now I'm just going to decorate it, but I've already made a card base. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. Oh, Kristen said it looks like a teddy bear to her too. I know. All of a sudden I looked at it and I went, oh, it looks like a teddy bear. So let's look at some of our other samples. So simple to do. Here's a cute one. Happy birthday. And it's going to stand up just like that. There we go. Here's another one with a cute little sun on the front. Open it up just because. Isn't that cute? I'm showing you that one last. Here's another one. Wishing you calm seas and happy days. Open it up and there it stands. So remember, it has that cute little belly button notch. Here's another one. I am so thankful for you because remember, it comes with the stamp set and dun, 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 it is a stand up. But wait, there's more because if you put two of these together, okay, if you put two stand ups together, I am so thankful for you. And now you have a gatefold card. What? Look at that. It's a gatefold card. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What? I know. Isn't that awesome? So how do you do that? Let me show you really quick. What you're going to do is you're going to get two stand-ups, right? And you're going to fold one the opposite way. Actually, you fold them both the opposite way. And you're going to put them back to back. I have a video on our website that shows this for real. Let's do it this way. Back to back. And you're going to glue that. And now look. Ready? Ta-da! When you open it up, it's going to be a gatefold card. So isn't that cool? So here's one. See, the backs are just glued together. And then you have, ta-da! So not only, and I always like to find other ways for you to use our products, not only is it a stand-up card die, but it's also a gatefold card die. And my dog is sleeping and she's dreaming and she's going, woof, woof. I'm sure you guys couldn't hear it, but that was the cutest thing. So that is a gatefold or a stand-up die. The choice is yours, but do both. That is the delightful stand-up. Item number 925001. 925001. Yes, it comes with the stamp set. Okay, moving on. Have you seen any questions that I need to?
No.
Okay, we're all doing good. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, and all that good stuff. That would be cute, Carolyn. Maybe we will. I don't know. I haven't thought about it because I just realized it looks like a teddy bear. Now we are going to move on. Hang on, let me see, because this is like where it gets a little amazing.